This is the innovation mistake that kills 99% of startups, and it has nothing to do with your funding, your marketing, or even how good your team is. It's a fundamental error in thinking, a trap that almost every founder falls into. It's called product gravitation, and it's the silent killer lurking in your product roadmap. But what if I told you there's a way to see the world differently? A method used by innovators from Elon Musk to the creators of Netflix that allows you to sidestep this trap entirely. I've spent the last month deconstructing dozens of innovation case studies and frameworks, boiling them down into the first principles you absolutely need to know to avoid this fatal error. By the end of this video, you'll understand the mistake, and I'll give you a powerful 3-step framework to find the real opportunities everyone else is missing. So what is this product gravitation trap? Imagine your product is a planet. It has a powerful gravitational pull. It's natural to get caught up in its orbit, obsessing over making it bigger, better, and shinier. You spend all your time thinking about its features, its performance, and how it stacks up against the other planets, your competitors. This is the path of least resistance, but it's also the path of least defensible advantage. You're trying to build a faster horse. You're adding features, but you're still fundamentally solving the problem in the same old way. And here's the secret. Innovating on product performance is the easiest thing for your competitors to copy. While you're fighting for inches, they're preparing to leapfrog you entirely. So, how do we escape? We do what Elon Musk did with rockets. We use first principles thinking. Instead of starting with the complex thing, the product, we break it all the way down to its fundamental truths. Let's take a simple example. Say you make circular saws. The product-centric approach is to make a saw that's lighter, faster, with a longer-lasting battery. But a first principle thinker asks why. Why does someone need a saw? To cut wood. Why do they need to cut wood? To build a deck. And why do they want a deck? To create an outdoor space where their family can relax and connect. That, creating a family relaxation space, is the first principle. That is the real job to be done. The circular saw is just a clumsy, temporary solution people hire to get that job done. Once you understand the real job, you're no longer trapped into thinking about saws. You can reconstruct a solution from the ground up. Maybe the answer isn't a better saw. Maybe it's a modular decking system that requires no cutting at all. Maybe it's an AR app that helps people design the perfect space. Maybe it's a service that does it all for them. You've escaped the product's gravity and entered a new universe of possibilities. And that's the final piece of the puzzle. Once you understand the real job, you realize you can innovate in many more places than just the product. This framework is called the 10 Types of Innovation, and it's your map to this new universe. Most companies are stuck fighting over this one tiny planet, product performance. But the truly dominant companies, the ones that build unshakable moats, innovate across the entire galaxy. You can innovate on your profit model. Instead of selling a product once, you can create a subscription, like Netflix did, aligning how you make money with the real job of continuous entertainment. You can innovate on your network. Apple knew they couldn't build every app for the iPhone, so they built the App Store, creating a network of developers to help users get millions of different jobs done and created a defensible ecosystem in the process. Or you can innovate on service. Best Buy knew the job wasn't just buying a computer. It was use technology without frustration. They created Geek Squad, a service that was more valuable than the product itself. Companies that combine these innovations, a great product with a unique service and a novel profit model, are the ones that become impossible to compete with. So the single biggest mistake isn't a tactical error, it's a failure of perspective. It's getting trapped by the gravitational pull of your own product instead of exploring the universe of possibility surrounding your customer's real job. So I want you to stop asking, how can I build a better product? And start asking, what job are they really trying to do? And how can I innovate across the entire system to help them achieve it? This was just a high-level flight plan. If you want the detailed schematics for all 10 types of innovation with deep dive examples and actionable steps for your own business, I've written an extensive guide on my Substack. It's the ultimate resource to help you apply this thinking. The link is right at the top of the description below or in the first comment. My hope is that these videos help you to understand how to apply innovation principles to a variety of problems. And if that's what you're looking for, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications. I plan to keep them coming, and you definitely don't want to miss some of the exciting accelerators that are coming as well. More on that later. I don't want you dreaming about shiny objects just yet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.